Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to see the iOS 26 wallpapers. So if you want to see all the new wallpapers which are available on iOS 26, then you want to go ahead and open up Settings, scroll down and find Wallpaper. From here, you want to go ahead and tap on Add New Wallpaper. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down, and where it says iOS, you'll see the new wallpaper. So currently this is the new wallpaper. You can go ahead and tap on Add, and then you can go ahead and tap on Set as Wallpapers Pair, and then go back to your home screen. So there you go guys, that is how to see new iOS 26 wallpaper on your iPhone.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.